In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add wired printer in Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of the brand of printer that you are using, I'm going to showcase how you can set it up and connect it to your Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, ensure that it is properly connected. Usually, this will be done with a USB cable. So you will plug the USB cable into any of the available USB ports on your desktop PC or your laptop. You can find USB ports at the side or at the back of the case or the laptop. Of course, make sure that your printer is also properly set up. Usually it will receive a USB-B cable and it will be plugged into any valid power source. Once it is plugged into a wall outlet and it is directly connected to your PC, it should be detected by Windows, so you only have to follow the steps that I'm going to showcase now if, for whatever reason, it isn't being picked up by default. So if it isn't working and you are trying to print documents, but they aren't going over to the printer, then what you can do is go into the Windows settings, Bluetooth and devices, and then printers and scanners. In here, there's going to be a button to add a new printer. If you click this button, it will try to find that printer, and most of the time it will automatically find it. But if after you spend a minute here and it's still searching, what you have to do is click add a new device manually. Now you can go through this prompt here. My printer is a little older, select the shared printer, and so on. I recommend using the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click next. In here, you can just proceed. The port should be good. And now you can choose the specific model of printer that you would like to install. You can choose from specific manufacturers, or you will see generic and Microsoft. If for whatever reason, a specific one is not appearing here, then you can just click Windows Update, but after you select one, or you can leave it on generic, it should download the drivers for you to use your printer. I hope I was able to help you on how to add wired printer in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.